Hi, I'm Mithilesh Kumar, co-founder and CTO of Data Plant. Data Plant is customer retention platform. Basically, your existing client comes to you and buy again. That's one of the biggest validation of your business, whatever you are selling. The repeat business becomes very crucial for your business growth. That's exactly where Data Plant comes into picture. If you're individual business owners or customer success leaders or even C executives, right? This tool will not only help you to strategize, but also execute seamlessly so that you can retain more customer and increase your revenue. Today, even if you're sitting on your couch and then you can say, hey Alexa, pay my bills. And then your electricity bills or other bills are getting paid. But same level of comfort is not there on business problem. Let's say if you want to handle or monitor your customers, it's hard. Either you juggle around multiple tools or you rely on some kind of admin, ops or data scientist to give you. If my system itself has a knowledge, imagine if I need some insight, then there is a tool. There are a set of folks who are skilled on those tools. There are a set of folks who understand the business. And then combining together is when you get the strategy or you get the execution flow of how you manage your customers. So if tool itself has those knowledge, starting from the technical knowledge to statistical knowledge to business domain, that's exactly Data Plant we are bringing in front of B2B companies. Lab 32 program helped us polish our message. That's the biggest thing. One of the key output from the advisory call was coming out of those advisory call and having a right sales pitch. Because as I was mentioning, sometimes your sales pitch is too much jargon, too much technical, but you got to have what you are selling, whom you are selling, and then why should somebody should buy it, right? So those flushing out those right content, that was one of the key output there that we got. And then obviously you have tons of mentors here. You have a lot of folks where you can ask questions. Although it is just a 100-day program, but actually it has helped me from having the competitive analysis to pricing strategy to the messaging to the sales pitch. I'm kind of fan of T-Hub. I have been knowing and engaging with T-Hub last couple of years when it was in triple IT. We are fortunate, especially being a Hyderabadi, and then T-Hub is one of the organizations where you can get best in this domain. If you are building something right, you must be associating with T-Hub. And I hope it will be global as well down the line. The kind of diversity and the problem from no matter whatever stage you are and what kind of problem that you are facing, ultimately there will be somebody to help you. And then most important, what I have felt, especially in the Indian ecosystem, if you say that I'm associated with T-Hub, there is a value, there is a brand value. People will come to you and talk to you. Whatever you are building, right, build freaking good product. If your product is good, right, ultimately things will turn out. It's not like, getting investment or other stuff is kind of matter of time, but if your product is good, you're solving the right problem, then it will be successful definitely for sure.